Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. In this video what I have for you is an unboxing. This is the Yuxin Zhisheng and let's dive right into it. So we'll get the cube out and it's covered fully in plastic, and here is the cube itself. Just tear off the plastic. So here is the cube itself, the Yuxin Zhisheng, if I pronounced it correctly, and along with the box we got this plastic cover, and the cube fits in quite perfectly. It prevents the stickers from getting scratched off when kept away, and also we have this little card sort of thing, and if I'll bring it closer you'll see that it mentions some of the basics of the cube, but it's not in English language, so I won't read it. And now let's take a look at the cube itself. So first turns. Yes, the cube is a bit crunchy, but it turns quite nicely. And let's look at the shades. So yellow is pretty nice, red is pretty nice, white I think is a bit dull, but this sticker makes up for the dullness of the white. The Yuxin sticker, you will see it on all Yuxin cubes. The orange is pretty nice, the green is great, and the blue is pretty nice. So the color of the cube in my opinion is pretty great, and you can see the center caps are rounded off and the corners are squared off a bit to prevent corner twisting on this cube. Yes, the cube corner twists sometimes, but the cube is a bit crunchy and it needs a bit of lubrication. And now let's see the corner cutting. So it corner cuts well over 45 degrees. Yes, so it corner cuts about 45 degrees. And now let's see inverse. So yes, it also corner cuts. So corner cutting on this cube is pretty great. I'll give it about 9 out of 10 in case of corner cutting, and I feel that the current tensions are a bit too loose. Yes, the cube is turning rather quickly, but it's making a lot of noise and it definitely needs some tensioning and lubrication, but after that this cube will be quite great according to me. And let's try some more turns. The cube turns pretty greatly now, and only after some solves I can see a major difference. There have been no issues of corner twist till now, and as you can see the cube corner cuts also pretty well. I'll recommend you this cube because it's pretty great. Its turning is pretty average. There's no issues of pops or corner twists, and it even corner cuts pretty well. So this is a great cube, and it's just a budget cube, just like the Yuxin Little Magic. This cube is also pretty great.